Hello student, class 11 physics, and our topic name is conservative force and potential energy. Let a body of mass is small m, be lifted to a height is capital H above the surface of the earth, then the work done against the gravitational force. The work done against the gravitational force, that means gravitational force of work done is given by potential energy. Potential energy U that is equal to mgh. Clearly the work done by gravitational force is given by minus mgh, where minus n is represent the work opposite directions of the gravitational force, are, that means fh that is equal to minus mgh, or f that is equal to h to h, both side clear out, f that is equal to minus mg, or we can write force that is equal to minus d upon ds mgh, or mgh is a potential energy, or f that is equal to minus of du upon dt. This is equation number first. Equation number first may be also written in these equations, may be right. Sorry, this is h r f dh that is equal to minus du, our limits at initial positions is x1. Let's initial positions x1 and potential energy that is equal to u1, and at final positions is x n, then potential energy Pe that is equal to un. If initial position is x1, then potential energy that is equal to u1, and at final positions xn, then potential energy that is equal to un. Then above equations is given by x1 to xn f dh that is equal to initial energy to final energy un minus du. Then this is the work, then work done w that is equal to u1 to un minus of u, or we can write minus of u1 to un, or we can write w that is equal to minus of un minus u1, or minus un plus u1, then un minus u1 minus un. This is the work. In this equation, it is clear that the work done by the gravitational force depends on the initial and final situations, final पोजिशंस ऑफ द बॉडी, जो हमारे पास जो वर्क्स है वो इनिशियल एंड फाइनल पोजिशंस ऑफ द बॉडीज पे डिपेंडेंट है. देयरफॉर द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स is a conservative force. This simply indicates that the potential energy is only due to conservative forces. For conservative forces, generally from the above equations may be right. जो generally हम जो conservative force is generally denoted minus of du upon dx. X is a positions.